What's up, Peach Squad, and welcome back to episode 10. We've made it all the way to episode 10. If you've been riding with us into episode 10, we thank you.
Thank you.
We thank you for joining the Peach Squad. We do. This week's episode, we've come back to cooking. Last week, we did him doing my voiceover. This week, we're cooking. Mm-hmm. So we're making something that will up camping. Okay, there's like the biggest thing people look forward to at camping is what?
I don't know.
What is the one thing that people get excited about when they go camping?
I haven't been camping before, so I don't know.
I don't like camping, but people get excited about s'mores. Like, so we're making s'mores brownie cupcake.
I don't think they heard you.
A s'mores brownie cupcake. Okay. We got the chocolate.
I don't think they heard you. I said it again.
We got the chocolate.
What else?
We got the graham cracker.
What else?
We got the marshmallow.
What else?
And we got it in your home. If you don't like nature, you can have camping in your home.
What nature got?
Cause you know when you go camping, you gotta do it outside.
Oh my goodness!
I don't like being outside. I don't like nature, so this is perfect for me.
All right.
You know I don't. You go to somebody's party and they'll be like, "Oh look, we got s'mores. That's cute. We got s'mores cupcakes." Well, we want to thank you guys. And if you haven't seen last week's episode, we will insert it somewhere on the screen. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so you're going to need some almond milk, brown sugar, regular sugar, butter, brownie mix, marshmallow fluff, and graham crackers, and chocolate chips. Ready to add the marshmallow. Okay, look at our brownies.
Yes, sir. Ready?
And we're gonna ice these brownies
with the marshmallow.
Fluff.
Same thing. What are we doing the whole thing? Man, these about to hit. Doing the whole thing. It's cool.
Alrighty, so our cupcakes are done. Now it's time to taste.
I'm trying to see what side I want to pull from. I get it right here. I don't think I'm gonna finish that one because that's a little big.
Our cupcake definitely looks
ready to
bougie as crap. Okay, let's dive in. Oh
man.
I'm excited.
You want to eat that graham cracker? Man, that's the best cake. That's the best cake we made. Brownie.
this is really good.
It's real good. And she talked about she don't eat marshmallows. I eat all of it by myself. I have to eat about 6 of them by tonight. You sure right. You sure right. That was good. For real.
Good.
That was good for real. Man. That brownie tastes way better than cake. That shit was like when you try to make cupcakes, brownie tastes way better because it got more chocolate in it. That was good.
Between the graham cracker, the chocolate, and the marshmallow, it's still like you still got the chocolateness, but then you still got the other stuff.
Yeah. But yeah.
Wonderful.
So that's pretty much it.
Until next time.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are.